Best video editing software of 2025? What's right for you? Let's be honest. If you're creating video content in 2025, whether it's for YouTube, your business, or just for fun, you need a good video editor. But with so many options out there, how do you figure out which one's actually worth your time? Don't worry, I've got you. Here's a simple breakdown of the best video editing software out there right now. It's depending on your experience, goals, and budget. 1. If you're going pro, Adobe Premiere Pro this is. One you've probably heard of already, and for good reason. Premiere Pro is the industry standard. It's packed with tools for color grading, multicam editing, motion graphics, and even AI-powered features like Autodash, REF, RAM, and G. Yes, it's a bit of a learning curve, and yes, it's subscription-based. But if you're serious about video this is my career serious, it's totally worth it. 2. Mac lover. Go with Final Cut Pro. You're on a Mac. Final Cut Pro is a dream. It's sleek, super fast, especially on Apple Silicon, and has a one-time price instead of a monthly fee. Editors love its magnetic timeline, and it's perfect for everything. From YouTube content to short films, bonus. It feels like iMovie's big brother, so if you've used that before, you'll feel right at home. 3. Best all around and free. DaVinci Resolve's want something that's insanely powerful and free? Meet DaVinci Resolve. It's got Hollywood-level color grading tools, killer audio editing, and a full visual effects suite. There's a studio version if you want to upgrade later, but honestly, the free version is more than enough for most people. Whether you're editing YouTube videos or your first short film, it's hard to beat 4. Just making TikToks or Reels? Try CapCut. CapCut started as a simple app for TikTok, but now it's a powerhouse for mobile and desktop editing. It's super easy to use, packed with templates and AI tools, and completely free. Perfect if you're making quick, eye-catching videos for social media. 5. Total beginner? Start simple if you're brand new to video editing. Don't stress. There are some great beginner-friendly tools out there. iMovie for Mac, iPhone, drag, drop, done. Super intuitive. Adobe Premiere Elements for Windows, macOS, step-by-step help, and a clean interface. Move. Great for quick edits without the techie overwhelm. 6. Want to edit on the go? LumaFusion has you covered using an iPad or iPhone. LumaFusion is like having a mini Final Cut Pro in your pocket. Surprisingly powerful, and it's a favorite among mobile-first creators. So, what should you use? YouTuber or pro editor gives go with Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Creative on a budget gives try DaVinci Resolve free. Social media whiz gives you'll love CapCut. Total newbie gives start with iMovie or Movavifinal thoughts. Best editing software isn't the most expensive or most advanced. It's the one that fits your workflow, your content, and your comfort level. Try a few out, mess around with them, and see what feels right. Video editing can seem scary at first, but once you get going, it's actually kind of addictive. Happy editing.